So the question is, shoulder hurts, but it goes up into my neck. Now, I'd like to have a little bit more detail on what that is, but generally speaking, the shoulder and neck are kind of the hip and the lower back. They're kind of married, and we have to differentiate based on many clinical exams, whether it's a neck-related issue going to the shoulder, or shoulder-related issue going to the neck, or is it a 50-50 call?
Or is it a muscle that helps support the shoulder that's just in spasm? You know, for example, trapezius muscle can go into spasm just with simple shoulder pathology, and some patients will come in and tell us that my neck is just killing me over here, and you find out that the real source of that pathology may in fact be their shoulder.
Absolutely, and we work very closely with a neck specialist to say that with a neck person might call me up and say, this is not a neck issue, this is a shoulder issue. I have a patient and I do vice versa. We do that all the time. But really, you want to know what's more important, where is the origination of that particular pathology. And 9 out of 10 times we can figure it out just with a nice physical exam on the patient's neck and the shoulder.
Yeah.